Adiel Gorel has helped thousands secure their retirement riches. Even the great Warren Buffett wrote him needing to know more. The answers are all here for you. Welcome to the Remote Control Retirement Riches Show.
So another question that I got on social media is, how much emergency cash should I have for each rental property for the unforeseen maintenance and expenses? Is there a percentage? Well, again, my philosophy is always to buy brand new homes. And so when you buy brand new homes, are under warranty, either for the entire house by the builder or for the components like the air conditioner by the manufacturer as well. And so typically for quite a while, there won't be too much in the way of repairs. In the meantime, depending on your down payment on your loan, your mortgage payment will never change. It's fixed. But the rent does go up with the years with inflation. It can go down, but it usually goes up with inflation. So as your rent goes up, your cash flow becomes better and better. Some people that I know like to use this extra cash or the positive cash flow and put it in an account as sort of like a reserve account or the emergency cash that you're talking about. When I began, I was buying older homes and they were cheaper back in the day. I put a few thousand. I don't use a percentage in a reserve account, but then I realized, you know what? I want to buy as many homes as I possibly can. If I take my hard-earned cash and I let it sit, lay down and do nothing in a reserve account, that's pretty silly. So I went to my bank and I got a credit line and I didn't use it. I said, when I have a need, I'm going to draw it off of the credit line. So I myself chose that route. So as to the question of how much cash should we keep in an emergency reserve account, depends. Usually I would keep a few $1,000s. Remember, if you put your positive cash flow in there, it'll keep on growing with the years anyway. And you can use a credit line, which you only tap as you need. So that's as far as how much cash we need to keep for an emergency. Thanks for joining me today. Click the subscribe button for more video on real estate. Got a question or comment? I love questions and comments. Leave yours below. And here's another video you've got to see.